students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 9 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 31 on quadratic equations. Okay, now let us see the first question. If x square minus 3x plus 2 greater than 0, comma, x square minus 3x minus 4 less than 0, then x lies in the interval. If you look at the question, there are two conditions given. One is x square minus 3x plus 2 greater than 0. The second condition is x square minus 3x minus 4 less than 0. Two inequalities are there. We have to find out such an x which is satisfying both the inequalities. Okay. Now we have to solve both the inequalities. First inequality to take, x square minus 3x plus 2 is greater than 0. That implies if you factorize, we have x square minus 1x minus 2x plus 2 greater than 0. That implies x times of x minus 1 minus 2 times of x minus 1 greater than 0. That implies we have x minus 1 times of x minus 2 greater than 0. As it is greater than 0, we simply say that x is either less than 1 or x is more than 2. X is less than 1 or more than 2. That implies we can say x belongs to minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. Minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. It won't lie between 1 and 2. And even it won't include 1 as well as 2. That is what we can observe out of this inequality. That is condition number 1. Now let us take the next one. X square minus 3x plus 4 less than 0. If you factorize it, it is going to be x minus 1 times of x minus or x minus 4 times of x plus 1, that is correct, is less than 0. Okay, because x square minus 4x plus x, that is minus 3x minus 4. As it is less than inequality, we can say that x belongs to minus 1 comma 4. X belongs to minus 1 comma 4. If you observe these two, this is the second condition. Here we have x belongs to minus infinity to 1, minus infinity to 1. Here we have 2 to infinity, more than 2 to infinity. So, if you take the number line, to understand this better, first one is, let us take the points, this is minus 1, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 4. Okay, so according to this, x is lying in minus infinity to 1. Minus infinity to 1 means from here to here, it is not included. Next, 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity means this is how you have. This is the reason. Next, here he is saying that x belongs to minus 1 to 4. Minus 1 to 4 in the sense, minus 1 to 4. This is the reason. So what is the combined region? This is combined region as well as this part. So the shaded part is a combination of these two. It means x belongs to minus 1 to 1 union 2 to 4 is the only x value here. X lies only in the interval minus 1 to 1 union 2 to 4 because that is a common region for both the inequalities. So out of the given 4 options, minus 1 to 1 union 2 to 4 is nothing but the fourth option. So that is the right answer. Okay. Here what is the care we have to take? As we are given two inequalities, both of them you have to solve and you have to take such an x which is satisfying both of them. Okay. Now, so fourth option is the right answer for this question. Now we will move to the next question. The greatest negative integer satisfying x square minus 4x minus 77 less than 0 and x square greater than 9. Here also we are given two inequalities. Let us try to solve them. What the first one? X square minus 4x minus 77 less than 0. If you simplify, that is going to be x square minus 7x plus 7x minus 11x, that is correct, minus 77 less than 0. Why? Because 7 11s are 77 plus 7 minus 11 gives you minus 4. Okay, that implies x of x plus 7 minus 11 of x plus 7 is less than 0. That is otherwise x plus 7 times of x minus 11 less than 0. As it is less than inequality, x value lies between the critical points, that is minus 7 and 11. So x belongs to minus 7 and 11. As it is strictly less than, it won't include minus 7 as well as 11. This is condition number 1. What is the second condition? Second condition is x square is greater than 9. We can write it as x square minus 9 greater than 0. That is otherwise x plus 3 times of x minus 3 greater than 0. That implies x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 union 3 to infinity. Because it is greater than inequality, it won't lie between minus 3 and 3. That is second option. So the one which is satisfying these two is from 1 and 2. What you can say? X belong to, here x is only up to minus 7, but he is saying x is from minus infinity to 3. So it is minus 7 to, here it is restricted up to minus 3. Let us take like that. Union, if you look at this, it is starting from 3. But in this case, 3 less than 3 values also included. But here it is starting from 3. So we have to take 3 to infinity. Up to infinity you can take here. But here we have up to 11. So this is only 11. This is the solution set. X belongs to minus 7 to minus 3 union 3 to 11. So if you look at the integers, what are the possible integers here? Integers for x are minus 7. After that we have minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. These are the negative integers. That's all. We cannot take minus 3 because minus 3 is not included. So minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. Out of these three, which is greatest? The greatest negative integer here is minus 4. So that is the third option. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. The value of x for which x minus 1 by 3x plus 4 less than x minus 3 by 3x minus 2 holds lie is the interval is asked. Given, let us try to take the given inequality. X minus 1 by 3x plus 4 is less than x minus 3 by 3x minus 2. That implies don't go for cross multiplication. This is a very, very important thing. That is a warning you keep in mind. Should not cross multiply because we don't know what is 3x plus 4. Whether it is positive or negative, we don't know. Here also 3x minus 2, whether it is positive or negative, we don't know. If you cross multiply, we are not sure about the inequality, whether to write less than or greater than. If it is a constant here and constant here, we can do cross multiplication. Something like x by 2 is less than some x square by 4 if you have. You can write it as 4x is less than 2x square. No issue, you can write it because 2 is fixed, constant fixed, 4 is fixed. So you can do this. But whenever you have unknown value here, we should not cross multiply. That is very, very important rule in this inequalities. Okay. Now, what to do in that case then? We have to write in this way. Minus x minus 3 by 3x minus 2 is less than 0. Simply you transpose it to this left half inequality. If you simplify this, now LCM is 3x plus 4 times of 3x minus 2. So what do you have now? X minus 1 times of 3x minus 2 minus x minus 3 times of 3x plus 4. That is less than 0. You have to further simplify that. If you simplify, you will get 3x into x, that is 3x square. Next, minus 3x minus 2x, that is minus 5x. Minus 2 into minus 1, that is plus 2. Minus of x into 3x, that is 3x square. I will multiply directly with the sign. Next, minus x into 4, that is minus 4x plus 9x, that is nothing but minus plus 5x. Next, we have minus 3 times of 4 is minus 12. Anyway, minus you know, so that will become plus 12. By here, denominator is as usual, that is 3x plus 4 times of 3x minus 2. The inequality is less than 0. If you look at this 3x square, 5x cancels. That is going to be 14 by 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 2 less than 0. 14 by 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 2 less than 0. Anyway, 14 is always positive. So only if it is negative, this entire inequality becomes negative. As it is negative, x must lie between. This entire expression must be negative. So 3x plus 4 times of 3x minus 2 must be less than 0. Okay, as it is less than 0, x must belong to the critical points. What are they? Minus 4 by 3 to, here the critical point is 2 by 3. So x belong to minus 4 by 3 to 2 by 3. That is nothing but the second option. So second option is the right answer to this question. Okay. So that is the end of today's assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.